in 21st century. Everything is about computer science now, and it is especially important for young people.
Computer science is the study of anything sort of related in the field of computers.
From space robotics to how the digital things in our lives shape what it is that we do, from our mobile phones to sat-navs. I came to visit Aberystwyth, and the energy of the lecturers and the town and all the local people was just so infectious.
Everything, lectures and tutorials and just conversations with staff members, it all clarified what I want to do in the future.
And it was hearing all these different possibilities from my lecturers and sort of previous students that sort of made me think, wow, I really need to pursue this.
So first year is very much easy. It eases you into the course, gets everyone onto the same level.
I was really getting up to speed with how you program, because I didn't know how to do that before I came to university.
For me, I learned programming. I learned different aspects of hardware and networking.
Second year you get to choose what you specialise in more and get to really enjoy the subjects that you want. Third year is an optional industrial year, or you continue on and do your dissertation or group project.
On my third year, I will go to work in industry, so I will have an industrial placement.
So I was working for GE Healthcare just outside London in their security team.
Through going to Canada, I've established sort of international links, made international friends.
It was really interesting to apply things that I'd learned in the classroom to actually out there in industry. It's
been a real pleasure. It's sort of another part of me that I sort of take on to going forward.
And then on my fourth year, I will hopefully pass all of my exams.
Y darlithwyr a pawb sydd yn yr adran yn sicr yn rili yn ymrwymo I be maen nhw'n neud. Yn benodol am Aberystwyth, dwi'n ffeindio lle ffantastig I fod. Mae gennym ni'r môr, mae gennym ni y mynydd.
There's lots of facilities available for computer science students. There's the robotics lab, there's a digital systems laboratory where you get to play with the hardware side of things. And there's also 2 dedicated computer rooms, one with Linux computers and others with Apple machines.
Each lecture is recorded, so we do have access not only to our slides, but also to just whole lecture.
You can go online and press a button and re-watch the whole thing.
At double speed if you want.
At double speed if you want.
Tutorials tend to be a lot more focused in that there are only 10 of us instead of 200 of us in a room.
Sometimes understanding can get lost when there's so many of you and a lecturer's talking at you, as in these smaller sessions. It feels like you're being personally tutored.
So it is very, very comfortable. You don't need to worry about saying something stupid. So it does make it much better.
The lecturers are very approachable and friendly. So anytime I had a particular problem or question about a course, I could speak to them.
Every student gets assigned a personal tutor who you can email throughout the year if you're confused or need to talk to someone about something, whether that's academic or personal.
So we've got staff members that we can always just pop up to their office and ask for any kind of help that we need, whether it's about academic or financial or emotional help, whatever is needed.
I love watching something that you make grow from one line of code to sometimes hundreds or thousands.
I often think that if I hadn't have gone to university, and particularly Aberystwyth, I wouldn't have found sort of my passion, the facilities at Aberystwyth, the people I came across, the support I received. I've very, very inspired and driven as a result.
I would say come for an open day. The charm of the town and the local people really win you over.
The atmosphere at university, the help you get from other people, the support you get from both staff members and just people who live in the town, it's just so amazing.